Hi Travels, today we're taking a look at these here, which are a pair of packable shorts from a company called 1000 Miles. They have a lot of great features, which I think make them very suitable not only for travel, but for a whole range of situations. They also have these silver knit socks, which are available in some bundles on their website, which I'll mention a bit more at the end of the video. These shorts come in midnight blue and urban grey, as you can see here. I personally prefer the midnight blue myself, but do leave a comment down below which colour that you prefer. Now onto the design. They are made from a lightweight Omniflex fabric, which is breathable, moisture wicking and fast drying. This fabric is 92% polyester and 2% spandex. And it could be considered a little bit swishy when you walk, and you might hear a little bit of noise, as you can hear here. But I didn't really notice it unless your legs are really pressed close together. These shorts do have a push stud closure instead of a button and an elasticated waist, so it fits a wide range of sizes. I'm wearing the size small here, and I wear the size 31 in the Outlier New Way shorts. They also do have a drawstring cord for a more secure fit if you want to wear them while swimming, for example. Speaking about swimming though, when compared to the Outlier New Way shorts, these shorts' pockets aren't ventilated and they're not made from a mesh material. So this means that they'll likely balloon up a bit when you get in and out of the water. Unfortunately, I didn't have a chance to test them out for swimming yet because it's currently midwinter and quite cold here in Australia. Also, comparing them to the Outlier New Ways, these shorts are not water repellent, nor are they coated to repel water. Instead, they are strongly moisture wicking, so the water will run through the fabric and they will dry quickly. These shorts are also quite a bit more stretchy than the Outlier shorts, so that makes these shorts feel a bit more comfortable and a bit more unrestrictive. These 1000 Mile shorts also pack away into their own zippered pocket, and both pockets can serve as a packaway pocket, but the pocket on the right actually has a printed logo on the outside when it's packed. The 1000 Mile shorts are also 60 grams or 2.1 ounces lighter than the Outlier shorts. Now, just a few things I didn't like about these shorts. I do prefer an actual button like on the Outlier shorts rather than a push stud button, because I don't feel that it gives a very good sense of security when you're wearing them. The pockets are not ventilated or mesh lined like the Outlier shorts are, which makes the Outlier shorts a bit more comfortable to wear when you're swimming or getting in and out of water. Finally, the price of the 1000 Miles is quite affordable at $68 US, which is a regular price, or currently they are on sale for $45 US. This is quite a bit cheaper than the Outliers, so I definitely recommend checking them out if you're in the market for a pair of do-it-all travel shorts. Now, these silver knit socks are included with some bundles when you purchase a pair of shorts, and they're quite comfortable ankle socks, although they are not made of merino wool, but they do have silver fibers knitted into them, which gives them anti-odor properties. They're quite similar to the Magic socks, which I reviewed a few months ago. So do let me know down in a comment below which of these two colors of shorts you preferred, the urban grey or the midnight blue, and also did you prefer the Outlier or the 1000 Miles? And be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.